Hello and welcome to week 14 in statistics. And as I mentioned in my previous recording in biopsych, we're going to be meeting on Zoom this week. Now, the first time we meet, we're going to be focusing on one-way ANOVAs, and then we'll be focusing in the next class on two-way ANOVAs. Now, obviously, these are very related to each other, and they really have to do with when you have more than two variables. Almost everything that we've been looking at, we've been looking at the correlation between two variables, and we've been looking at the cause-effect relationship between two variables. Now, we're going to look at one independent variable and multiple dependent variables, and then we can then look at multiple independent variables and multiple dependent variables as we move through those two tests, leading into next week, where I believe we're actually going to have time to do the chi-square test. Now, in addition, I want to use some of the time that we have together to have a deeper discussion about the final project, which is the proposals. The proposals have to be fairly detailed, and the discussions, although I did not participate in them in order to encourage this kind of participation, needed to be a lot more detailed in terms of the planning, which article you're actually going to go after and which one you're going to replicate. How do you intend on replicating as much as possible from the origin article? And so we'll have some discussions about that. I'm certainly willing to set up some individual Zoom meetings with people to help work through that particular aspect of the class. So we'll be talking a little bit about that today and on Wednesday. So hopefully we'll have time to do that. So I look forward to seeing you folks this week, and have a great week.